Hello and welcome to Quilt Addicts Anonymous. I'm Stephanie Soebbing. I want to call your attention to our Rulerwork course. This is a course over at Quilt Addicts Anonymous Academy. It's a new website that we've created that includes hundreds of quilting video tutorials that you can take. Some of them are free, some of them are paid. This one is really awesome. You can take the first week for free. That is all about using straight line rulers to create really awesome creations on your quilting. And I personally love Rulerwork because it makes me look like a lot better quilter than I actually am, because I'm able to do amazing things like these circles that I would never be able to do freehand. We teach the course on both the domestic and the long arm, so no matter what you're working on, you're going to be able to do this on your machine, and we give you lots of tips and tricks for both. Plus we have bonus footage of just the long arm if you want to see how I move differently with that, because I am doing most of my talking on the domestic sewing machine, as we know that's what a lot of you guys are working on. This past week we were working on circles. This is a really fun one. I love using them, and it's great because you can create an absolutely perfect circle that your friends are going to think you had to spend like $10K on a computerized quilting system in order to be able to do, but you did it with a ruler set. We start off just learning the basic shape by doing half circles, and then we learn how to connect that so that way we have beautiful circles that go all around. Now we're going to create a bullseye so that we can have circles that are coming in at various sizes, and then I show you how to interlock them to create really amazing shapes like this one. It's absolutely fabulous and beautiful, and it looks super fancy. Rulerwork is something that really is not hard to do. All you have to do is master how to keep your ruler foot in contact with your quilting ruler, and then whatever size template, whatever shape template you can get your hands on, you can quilt that. And we show you lots of different variations so you guys can see what you can do at home. And each week also comes with a show and tell, so you can see how I've used this in actual quilts so you can get your ideas running for your next quilt top. So the course is $29.99. You can just pay it and use all your own materials at home. Or if you get a ruler kit from us, you'll be able to save if you get all of them in one go, and you'll be able to take the course for free. We'll email you a coupon code with that. Also, if you get a quilt kit to go with it, you can do that, because once you're done, the pattern comes with two options. One where you piece everything together all at once, and then you can do it on the long arm. And then there's one where you are going to go through and do quilts as you go if you're on a domestic. It makes it a little easier, but when you're done, you get to piece it together and have a finished quilt that you can show off and reference when you're thinking, what am I going to do on this next quilt that I have? So go check it out. We had so much fun learning to quilt circles. Again, starting off super easy. This was day one, and by day 4 we were doing these beautiful interlocking circles. It's absolutely fantastic, and I think you're going to love it. So go check it out over at Quilt Addicts Anonymous Academy, and the website for that is academy.quiltaddictsanonymous.com. We'll also have links in the video description down below where you can get the ruler kit and the quilt kit, so you can get that course for free. All right, until next time, happy quilting.